Okay, so let's take a look at this question talking about calculating momentum. It says the diagram shows two supermarket trolleys moving in the same direction. Trolley A has a total mass of 8 kilograms and is moving at a velocity of 2 meters per second and with a kinetic energy of 16 joules. Trolley B is empty, so it has a mass of 4 kilograms and is moving at a velocity of 0.5 meters per second with a kinetic energy of 0.5 joules. Now all of that is captured in the diagram, so we're okay there in that case. We can follow it all from the diagram. And now it says calculate the momentum of both trolley A and trolley B and give the units. That's important. They've left a box for that, so that's going to be 1 mark obviously. It's 4 marks in total, so I think it's going to be 1 mark for each answer and then 1 mark actually for showing how you got each answer and then 1 mark for the unit. Yeah, so it's important. As easy or simple as the calculation may be, we just have to show it to make sure the examiner is aware of how we worked it out. So let's say for trolley A, you can see the mass is 8 kilograms. Remember, momentum is mass times velocity. So the mass is 8 kilograms multiplied by 2 for the velocity, which gives 16. And then let's look at the trolley B. So it has a mass of 4 kilograms multiplied by the velocity of 0.5 meters per second to give you 2. Now we can put those in each of their respective boxes. So 16 for trolley A, 2 for trolley B, and it says give the unit. So we've done mass times velocity, mass in kilograms, velocity in meters per second. So the product of those is just combining the units, so that is kilogram meters per second. So there we are, 4 marks. So let's look at the second question. It says the trolleys in the diagram collide and join together. Yeah, so I'm going to underline specifically join together. And it says they move off together as well. Calculate the velocity with which they move off together. So if I draw next to where the two trolleys are, as like an after drawing, so I'm going to draw a block representing A and B. They're moving together and they want us to find that velocity. So I'm going to put V, meters per second. And as it's both of them combined, we need to combine their mass. So 8 kilograms for trolley A, 4 kilograms for trolley B, 8 plus 4, that's 12 kilograms. So we know the mass and we've put the velocity V. So now we need to look at the law of conservation of momentum. So to start with, we look at the total momentum before. So here I'll put total momentum before. Remember that is the sum of all the individual momentums in the initial scenario. So you can see there for trolley A it was 16 from part A and for trolley B it's 2. So just add those two together, 16 plus 2, a total momentum of 18 kilogram meters per second. Great. So now after we're going to look at total momentum for that, which is equal to the combined mass we've just mentioned of 12 kilograms multiplied by the velocity that we don't know, so V. So 12 times V is 12V. And I've got the total momentum before and after, and because we're assuming that momentum is conserved, we can say that they're equal to each other. So I'll finish off by saying 12V equals 18, and then to calculate V, we just divide both sides by 12, so V equals 18 over 12, which gives you a value of 1.5. The unit's given in the question, so just put it in the box, 1.5 meters per second.